only people are out there willing to pay you a couple of dollars just to chat them. And then here's the funny thing, you can even set your own price so that they'll pay you, right? So either from $1, $2, $3, any amount that you wish to charge them just to pay you to chat them, right? So all you have to do is head on to this website called www. As you can see, the first website here is Rent a Cyber Friend. Yeah, so Rent a Cyber Friend is also a place to chat friends, or you can make friends online here. Yeah, so all you have to do is just sign up and then just get started. You need a VPN. If you're in the African countries, you need a VPN to be able to sign up here and start getting paid, right? So if you need a VPN, I'll link the VPN in the video description so that you'll be able to download the VPN, and the pay per minute is 0.1. That's 10 cents per minute. So if you are chatting someone for like 30 minutes, 30 minutes or something, that is $3, right? $3 for 30 minutes. It's not bad. So the next website that I'll show you is called Friendly. It's Friendly. So this you can all you have to do is sign in, or you can also download the app on Google Play Store, right? So all you have to do is just click on the start filling, then you start filling the forms, then you are done, right? So here is basically kind of a um relationship kind of website where you can start making female friends, date them. You understand what I'm saying? Yes. So that's how the kind of website or the Friendly is, right? So here too, you get a welcome credit of $5, right? So as soon as you sign up and get into it, you just get your $5 in your account, right? The third website here is Talkroom, right? Talkroom. So Talkroom too is also a chatting website. All you have to do is just chat. You don't have to do video calls, you don't have to call anyone, you just have to chat, right? And then the interesting thing here too is people pay you before you even chat. It's very good. They pay you. So you set your own prices. You set your own prices, then you just do your thing, right? So you set your prices maybe from $1 or $5, $10. You just set your own price. Then if someone sees it, then the person will just pay you instantly before you guys start to chat. So this is basically worldwide, right? So you don't need a VPN or something. Yes. So basically this is how the thing is. So as you can see, Kofi Ansah has paid $50 to chat with you. So the person has already paid you. So you just accept. Then you get your money, right? You just accept the thing, then that is all. So yes, basically that's the whole thing. So I hope you enjoyed the video. You had some small value inside that is going to get you some small coins be or some small dollars in your pockets or in your account. So if you like the video, kindly like, share, subscribe, and comment your thoughts or anything that you want me to do a video about in the comment section, and I'll be able or willing to do that video for you. So leave a like, subscribe, and enjoy more of my content. See you in the next video.